Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. As we can see, Nasdaq took a confirmation for higher. We saw, of course, the 24K 900 taken finally in 5 waves toward the upside, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To finish a wave 3 here in the top, which is not yet, of course, done, but I think this wave 5 is very close to be done. That means, of course, that we might be here in 1, 2, 3. Preferably, it is preferable, of course, to reach this area for this wave 3, meaning can be, of course, is this a transition for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, in a wave 5 for wave 3. So what I'm looking for is still, of course, this area. This blue box as a wave 3, I'm not convinced yet, of course, that this is only a finished impulse or something. I need to see, of course, this area broken. I mean, even this high taken, and would like to see the 25K 381, which is of course a potential wave 3, and would like to see, of course, continuation after it correctively. Probably it's gonna be a little bit deeper because your wave 2 is shallow here. It's gonna be a little bit deeper and then pushing again for a 5th wave. From there, I would like to see, of course, a 1-2, right? Taking the high again, of course, as confirmation for a bull run here, again for Nasdaq in a wave 5. Very, very interesting, right? So we're gonna see, of course, if this is going really to unfold. Currently, I see, of course, strengths. I see a signal that yes, we might continue toward the upside. So this is the highest possibility right now. We'll see, of course, how the things are going to unfold. Now, if we drop down, we might be shifting to something else, which it might be wave 2 there, but to be tested, of course, at that time. But currently, I'm not going to confuse you with this. I'm going to keep, of course, the flow as it is right now, 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. No invalidation taken. So everything looks perfect. We'll see, of course, how this is going to unfold. Now, in the other hand here for SPX, we see, of course, even much stronger move there. And I saw, by the way, the strengths of SPX here, 500 already from the intraday. During this volatility for the news, SPX was showing more strengths even from Nasdaq. And currently, I see it again in the wave 5. So we have potentially here a 1, 2, can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again, of course, finished within the same pattern with Nasdaq. I'm aiming for the 1.618, 1.27, and I believe this can be taken still. Of course, we can see, of course, a 5 waves here very nicely, but probably we're gonna get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow like that at 1.618, 6,860. I mean, it is more enough for me, even though 1.27 is fine. But what is important is to take the blue zone, 6,800 and 861. Between those two numbers, we might, of course, end up this wave 3. Would like, of course, to see a wave 4 and a 5. Then we take it, of course, as a big 1, 2, and potentially for new all-time high as well for SPX. Very nice. Okay, so that was it for the US stocks indexes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.